Okay, we've sanded down the neck. We've got it sanded down. So now it's going to fit where we want it to fit in here, where it's just flush with the bottom of the body. We're going to use a 1-inch stick, and we're going to drill up in here. You see we still have our mark here for our center. So we're going to cut a 1-inch hole in here. So what we'll do is we'll glue our stick in, and then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.